going to my spot. I forgot my lines. Hello, fancy friends. It is I, from my backyard. It's a beautiful day out. The bugs are bugging, doing their bug thing, and I have entered my cottagecore self-sustainable farmer girl era. 'Cause you know, my chaotic ADHD booty brain can totally keep up with something that needs a lot of maintenance and consistency. Anyways, so I've enlisted my friend who has actual skills in building things to help me make my garden girl dreams come true. La-da-la-la. So let's stop waste time and get this party started. And the child.
While you're doing that, I need to go mask.
Real quick, let me catch up.
Yeah, so this is going to be 8 feet. Down, so don't feel Got it?
Yep. Beautiful. And we're done. I give you these back. That's a cool guy.
That little piece off?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Figure it was easier to hold it from that.
Oh yeah, you get a manufactured and straight edge. And we're gonna do just the same thing here.
Love it.
Hardest part's done, the first screw.
Yeah.
We didn't fuck it up, we're good.
Just go get my headphones. His dad is his real name. Inches marked. Yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
You can see that's the actual stuff that they inject into the wood to keep it from rotting. So that's so this shit's gonna last a very, very long time. Why are we not?
I was like, oh, they're working with scary things. I need to be there to help them protect.
To even think about attacking Mama, I'm gonna be really ready for you to watch out.
Ah, hoarded.
do the 2 inches again?
Yes.
Actually, no.
No.
Yes, we can do 2 inches, but we have to do different increments, else the screws are gonna... Unboxing myself, I have to put on a fucking show for everybody.
Yeah, I have to like go set up my lights, I gotta set up my camera, get the right angle, blur out my address.
It's a chiller, man. Don't get me wrong, it's fun.
Yeah.
But... He's closer. I sense it.
Oh. Old white guy.
Well, those things are fucking... I got one for her that's like... I think... What the people want. What the people need.
Try to get my shadow out of here.
Look at that.
Stunning.
Fuck yeah.
Now look at that little beautiful square patch of dead grass. I was like, I don't like that.
Don't like that. Really?
It's a farm buddy. Pictures, please.
Stunning. More stunning.
Worst. For sure. That one's all done.
Right there. I'm like not even on camera. Progress so far. And this one's got some logs to take up space. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're such a good boy.
Stay.
Time for some dirt.
Oatmeal, can you go?
Get.
Oatmeal, come here.
It's fairly confident. I think our little clod can't fix. Give it a try.
But it needs a little more.
Has elevated us on this side.
Oh no.
Did I go too?
We are finishing up. This is all we have left to cut. Got cut down into these small boards. So we got those small boards will go across here, kind of like you would for like your bed planks to hold your mattress up. So that'll go. And then we just got to put in the lining. And this one's not gonna get logs because that's gonna have like carrots and stuff. We have left, and then we're done. Oh, I look so disheveled. Okay, bye. After many bags of dirt and many trips to Home Depot for more bags of dirt, and then not filming anything after building the garden beds, here is my garden. Thank you, everyone. Clap, hover clap. So this is it. This is my beautiful garden. We have some broccoli, some tomatoes. We got some spinach, some carrots, some onions, a Brussels sprout plant. We got some green beans, some zucchinis, and some cucumbers, and a little pepper plant that is just barely hanging to life. So let me show you around this beautiful garden. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching my friend build my garden beds for me while I stood around doing absolutely nothing. But yeah, I know this video style was a little different than my other like 5 videos, but I didn't really know what to film for something like this and edit something like this. I had to work with what I had, but at the end of the day, I kind of like this vlog style for, I guess I can say, smaller projects. Really just not like crazy cool intense projects. So I'm kind of thinking I might do a couple more like this in the future for I'm thinking I'll call them bonus videos, since I'm posting every other week, and maybe some of these in betweens, because this actually was a lot quicker for me to put together and edit. So yeah, I liked it. I hope you liked it. If not, I mean, it's there. Please watch it. I need the views. So please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and please leave a comment, because the algorithm gods really like when you do that, and God knows I need any help I can get to make this channel into something, so that way I can just do this and make stupid shit all the time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And I don't remember the next slide. Oh, what the fuck I think I'm doing. And I have entered my cottage core. Hi. I love you too. Yeah. One more for the mic. Thank you. Dope.
It's okay. I'm overreacting. It's like those things are fucking. You can literally buy them in packs of 50. We didn't tighten it down in the drill.
Here, I'll let you. Darren let me drill and I broke it.
The drill bit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Grab my phone. Get off my phone. I love you too. Okay. Next shot. Down I go. You got nowhere to go. My coffee.
Oh, don't drink coffee.
Can you go and
Now I forgot my lines. God damn it. Stop eating grass.